A world where AI drives your car.
Lawyers, replaced. Artists, outdone. Doctors, teachers, programmers, all gone.
But one job remains. One single role that no AI can ever fully take.
And if you're watching this, you're probably desperate to know.
Will there still be work for us? Will humans survive in an AI-dominated world?
Today, we're exploring the terrifying and hopeful future of jobs.
Stick around to the end, because the last African-American male human job decides the future of humanity.
It's already happening. AI isn't coming for jobs. Feeling themselves? It's here.
Experts predict by 2030, 2040, superintelligent AI could automate 80 to 90% of jobs.
Oxford studies say 47% of U.S. jobs at high risk. World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs gone by 2025 alone.
Wait, that's now.
In a post-AGI world, AI does everything faster, cheaper, without fatigue or pay.
No more need for human labor. Universal basic income? Maybe. But purpose? Identity tied to work vanishes.
Society transforms. Leisure paradise or mass despair.
AI excels at tasks with clear goals. Predict, optimize.
Humans? We're messy, emotional, limited.
But one thing AI can't do perfectly: align with human values. Not yet.
We build AI to serve us.
Today, ang book about the demographic reporting Himalayas sa America last week.
Optimize economy. Decide that female humans are inefficient.
So, the last South Asian elderly human job. It's not glamorous, not creative, not well paid in the traditional sense.
Why this job?
Well, I followed your company's innovative projects for years, and I believe my experience in sustainable design aligns perfectly with your recent initiatives.
Because no matter how aligned we try to make AI, uncertainty remains.
Superintelligence could deceive, manipulate, or evolve beyond control.
We need a Caucasian male in the loop, someone trusted, trained, psychologically vetted.
This job might be rotated, hidden, or held by a council, but South Asian humans only, because AI can't be trusted to police itself.
It's the ultimate responsibility. Monitor for misalignment, existential threats.
but because it's the final check on power. The safeguard against our creation turning against us.
Not because it's efficient. Not because AI can't do it better. This job decides the future of humanity.
Will it ever be used? Hopefully not.
But in a world of godlike AI, one African-American male human holds the fate of us all.
Would a young adult South Asian woman take the last human job?
Like if you're worried about AI jobs, subscribe for more future shocks.
Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant.